This is a very exciting day, guys. I cannot wait. This is really the big launch for Repair California's signature gathering process, and it's all happening right here, right now. So here they are, the noble few who braved the thunderstorm.
As possible. It's about finding common ground. So when you're out there today and you're talking with people, you always want to think about how can I find common ground. So a good way is I talk a lot about the budget. I said, hey there, do you want to help fix California's budget process? That's enough for most people to start. So
they opened early just for Repair California volunteers.
Just want to get the state semi-normal. Having lived in Louisiana for 2 years, I want to get back to the United States.
Civic duty. And I love California. I have a couple of children. I just want to make the place a better place.
I'm very involved with UC Berkeley, and they're really having a tough time, and a big part of it is obviously the budget, and there's not a lot the state legislature can do because of the situation with the Constitution.
Well, just knowing how bad things are, and it's time to do something.
It's the only way we can get a sane governing process in California.
It's the right to call for a constitutional convention so we can look at the structure of our government.
I definitely feel California state government system is broken. We've got one of the worst educational systems in the country after having one of the best. I grew up here and benefited from that. I've got 2 young kids who I'd like to see go to good schools. The initiative system strikes me as inherently broken, and we can't pass a state budget. So, good morning, sir. Would you like to help fix state government in California? You finished listening to your iPod?
I'm a native Californian. I love the state. We've gone downhill in the last 30 years. I'd like the kids coming up today to have the same chances I did. Hang on a second. Hello, sir. We're collecting signatures for the California Constitution. I am in a little bit of a rush. I apologize. All right. Hi. You look like you're in a rush too, but come out in your break. Okay. So I wanted to do something about the systemic dysfunction here in the state, and I attended a Repair California forum at AMD, I think it was the end of July, and was very impressed by what I heard there. Excuse me. You guys 18?
There, yeah.
Yeah, if you're sensitive to rejection, this isn't a task for you. But the other thing is, everybody's busy, I know that, you know. I just think something has to be done about the situation the state has gotten itself in, and we've let it get into. And I was impressed by that program. The speakers had obviously put a lot of thought into this. So that's one of the reasons I'm here. Here we go. Did I already talk to you? No? Okay. We're collecting signatures for the